everyone. Welcome back to Lingua Talk, the fun way to forget your learning. I'm Maya, and today we're going to make one of the most common and important English conversations super easy and super fun.
And I'm Andro. It's awesome to be here, Maya. Hello to all our amazing listeners and viewers. If you've ever struggled to introduce yourself in English, or maybe you panic a little when someone asks, "So, tell me about yourself," then, my friend, this episode is 100% for you.
Oh, yes. You know, Andrew, that question scares so many learners. Even people who know English words sometimes freeze. They go, my name is, and their brain just disappears.
Exactly. So today we'll fix that forever. We'll show you how to talk about yourself naturally in English, step by step, from saying your name and where you're from, to talking about your job, hobbies, and little stories that make people remember you.
But, Andrew, quick question. Do you know the biggest mistake beginners make when introducing themselves in English?
Maybe saying too much? Or maybe translating directly from their native language?
Nope. It's something even more surprising, and I'll tell you exactly what it is in a few minutes. Stay with us till the end, because once you fix this one thing, your introductions will sound confident and natural every single time.
Woo! I can't wait for that secret tip. And hey, Maya, before we start, can we share something really cool?
Yes, guys, we just got this amazing comment from one of our viewers, Sarah from Brazil. She said, "After watching your videos, I finally introduced myself in English at work, and everyone understood me perfectly." Sarah, if you're listening, big shout out to you.
That's awesome. See, that's what we love. Your success stories give us so much energy.
Exactly. And if you, dear listener, want to speak English easily and feel confident like Sarah, you're in the right place. So today's topic is how to talk about yourself in English. It's simple, powerful, and something you'll use every day, whether you're meeting new friends, going to a job interview, or joining a new class.
And trust me, after this lesson, you'll never be afraid of introductions again. You'll have short, natural, friendly sentences ready for any situation.
Before we dive in, we just want to say, if you love learning English the fun way, without boring textbooks, please subscribe to our channel, LinguaTalk, and hit that like button right now.
Exactly, because when you subscribe and like this video, it's not just a click, it's your way of saying, "Yes, I'm learning with you guys. I'm part of this journey."
Your support means the world to us. It's your way of saying, "I'm happy to be part of this learning family." So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's grow together.
All right, ready to master how to talk about yourself in the easiest, most natural way?
Let's go. All right, friends, let's start learning how to talk about yourself in English, step by step. Andrew, let's begin with the basics. How do you say your name in a natural, confident way?
Sure thing. The easiest way is, "Hi, I'm Andro." Or, "My name is Andro."
Yes, simple and friendly. Say it with us now. Hi, I'm your name. Come on, repeat it out loud. Don't be shy.
Pause the video for 5 seconds and say your name out loud 3 times.
Good job. Remember, the key is to smile when you say it. When you smile, you sound confident and friendly.
And please don't say myself, Maya. That's a very common mistake in some countries. But in English, we never say myself, John, or myself, Anna. We say I'm John, or my name is Anna.
Exactly. Easy fix, right? All right, next, let's talk about your country or city. You can say, I'm from Spain. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Japan.
Or if you want to make it a little longer, you can say, I'm from Brazil, but I live in Portugal now. I'm from Turkey, but I live in Germany now.
Perfect. Let's practice together. Say, I'm from your country. Ready? Go. Pause the video right now and say it 5 times.
Awesome! Now, let's make your introduction sound even more natural by adding your job or what you do.
You can say, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in marketing. I work at a hospital.
Oh, and for those who don't have a job yet, or maybe you're between jobs, you can simply say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm studying right now.
Exactly. It's honest, simple, and natural. What about hobbies? Now, people always want to know what you like doing, right?
Yes, talking about your hobbies is a great way to connect with people. You can say, I like reading. I love cooking. I enjoy playing football.
Repeat after us. I like, I love, I enjoy. And then add your activity. Like, I like listening to music.
Or, I love watching Netflix. Come on, we all do.
Guilty. I love it too. Now, let's connect all these small sentences together into one short, natural paragraph. Hi, I'm Maya. I'm from Canada, but I live in Spain. I'm a teacher, and I love traveling and learning about new cultures.
Perfect. Let me try. Hi, I'm Andro. I'm from Greece, and I'm a podcast host. I enjoy cooking and meeting new people.
Beautiful. See how natural that sounds? Short, friendly, and confident. That's how you make a great first impression.
All right, everyone, time for a quick 10-second challenge. Can you make your own short self-introduction using the words we just practiced?
Here's the structure. 1, name. 2, country. 3, job or study. 4, hobby. Pause the video now and say your introduction out loud. Or, if you want bonus points, write your short self-introduction in the comments.
Yes, we'll read them all. And who knows, we might mention your name in our next episode.
You're doing great. Keep practicing. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The goal is not perfection, it's connection.
Beautifully said, Andro. Okay, so now you know how to introduce yourself, your name, where you're from, what you do, and what you like. But here's the truth. If you stop there, your introduction might sound a little flat, right?
Exactly. It's like eating plain rice. Not bad, but it needs some flavor. So now, let's add that flavor, the special touch that makes people remember you.
And that flavor comes from emotion and storytelling. If you add a tiny personal detail or feeling, your introduction suddenly becomes alive.
Let's compare. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Andro. I'm from Greece. I'm a teacher. I like music. That sounds okay, but a bit robotic, right?
Yeah, now listen to this version. Hi, I'm Andro. I'm from Greece, a beautiful country by the sea. I'm a teacher, and I love helping people speak English with confidence. And yes, I play guitar when I'm tired.
Haha, see? Now you see me, not just my words.
Exactly. When you add a feeling, a reason, or a small story, you sound natural and interesting, not like you're reading a form.
Here's a simple trick. After every sentence, add one small detail. For example, I'm from Japan. I grew up near the mountains. Or, I'm a nurse. I love helping people. Or, I'm a student. I'm learning English because I want to travel.
These little lines make your English human and memorable. People don't remember grammar, they remember your story.
So true. And here's a quick mini challenge.
Yes, challenge time.
Take your short introduction from before and add one small story or a reason. For example, why you love your hobby or why you're learning English. Pause the video for 10 seconds and try it now.
You got this. Even one extra line can make your introduction sound like real conversation.
Okay, Maya, let's do a quick role play. Pretend we just met.
All right. Hi, I'm Maya. I'm from Canada. I moved to Spain 2 years ago because I love the sunshine and the food. I teach English online, and I really enjoy meeting new people from different countries.
That's perfect. It's short, personal, and easy to follow. Now my turn. Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from Greece, but I live in London now. I'm a podcast host, and I started learning English because I wanted to watch movies without subtitles.
That's so relatable. I think everyone wants that.
Exactly. And see how these introductions sound friendly and real? That's what you want.
Let's quickly review some useful phrases to make your introductions sound even better. I grew up in Italy. I live in Mexico City. I've been living in Seoul for 3 years. I love meeting new people. I'm passionate about photography.
Repeat after us slowly. I'm passionate about learning English.
I'm passionate about learning English. I've been living in Spain for 2 years. Excellent job. These phrases make you sound like a fluent speaker, even if you're still a beginner.
And here's the secret Maya promised earlier. Remember in the beginning when she said there's one big mistake learners make when introducing themselves?
Oh, yes. Here it comes. The biggest mistake is trying to sound perfect.
Exactly. When you focus on being perfect, you lose your natural tone and confidence. But when you focus on connection, your English instantly sounds better.
So don't worry about grammar. Just talk with heart. People will feel your sincerity, and that's what really matters.
Yes, confidence beats perfection every time.
Wow, what a fun session today, right? We learned so much, and you, dear listener, did an amazing job.
Absolutely. You learned how to introduce yourself in English with confidence and personality. Let's quickly review everything we practiced today.
How to say your name. Hi, I'm Maya. How to say your country. I'm from Canada. How to say what you do. I'm a teacher. How to talk about hobbies. I love cooking, or I enjoy reading. And finally, how to add a small personal touch to make your introduction unforgettable. Perfect summary. Remember, even simple sentences can sound beautiful when you speak with confidence and emotion. And don't forget, the biggest mistake is trying to sound perfect. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need your real voice.
Yes, speak slowly, smile, and be yourself. That's how people connect with you.
Okay, friends, it's time for your homework challenge. We want you to write your own short introduction in the comments below.
Use this simple structure. 1. Your name. 2. Where you're from. 3. What you do or study. 4. One hobby or personal story.
Here's an example. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Colombia. I'm a student, and I love painting because it helps me relax.
That's perfect. Short, real, and interesting. So now, pause the video, write your own version in the comments, and we'll read every single one.
Yes, we really read them. Your comments make us so happy. They show us your progress, your courage, and your dreams.
And if you know someone who's learning English, maybe a friend, a classmate, or a family member, share this video with them. You might be the reason they finally speak English confidently.
Exactly. Sharing this is not just helping, it's inspiring someone to believe they can do it too.
Before we say goodbye, I want to tell you something important. The fact that you're here, learning, practicing, improving, means a lot. It shows your commitment to becoming a better version of yourself.
We're truly proud of you. Every word you practice, every sentence you say, it's a step forward. Don't stop. Keep going, one sentence at a time.
And remember, you're not alone. We're right here with you, every week, helping you grow your confidence and your English.
So if you enjoyed this lesson and you love learning English the fun way, please subscribe to our channel, LinguaTalk, and hit the like button to let us know you want more lessons like this.
And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Because next week, we'll talk about how to ask and answer basic questions in English naturally. And trust me, it's going to change the way you speak.
Also, at the end of this video, you'll see a link to another lesson called How to Keep a Conversation Going in English. If you watch that next, you'll learn how to continue your self-introduction into a real fun conversation.
That's the perfect next step. Go watch it right after this.
All right, our dear learners, thank you for being here with us today on LinguaTalk. We love creating these lessons for you, and we're so proud of your progress.
Until next time, take care, keep smiling, and don't stop practicing.
See you soon, everyone. Bye!
Bye-bye.